Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest products to hit the market.
Today, we're taking a close look at a staple in many medicine cabinets: Mucinex 12-hour maximum strength tablets. If you're one of the millions dealing with chest congestion and mucus buildup, this might just be the solution you've been searching for.
Let's dive into what makes Mucinex stand out from the rest. First off, what sets Mucinex apart is its main ingredient, guaifenesin.
At a hefty 1,200 mg dose, this expectorant works to thin and loosen mucus, making coughs more productive and aiding in mucus removal.
And here's the kicker. It starts to work right away and lasts for a whopping 12 hours.
That means relief that keeps going throughout your day, allowing you to breathe easy and go about your business without constant interruption. But don't just take my word for it. Mucinex is not only trusted by millions of users worldwide, but it's also the #1 doctor-recommended over-the-counter expectorant among internists, general practitioners, and family practitioners. Now, Mucinex comes in various forms to suit your needs. From tablets to liquids, catering to different preferences and ages. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn cough, sinus congestion, or nasty chest cold, Mucinex has got you covered. So, how do you use it?
Simple.
Just pop one of these extended-release bi-layer tablets with a full glass of water. Adults and children 12 years and older can take one tablet every 12 hours, ensuring you don't exceed the recommended dosage.
Of course, as with any medication, it's crucial to read and follow the safety information provided. Mucinex is not suitable for children under 12 years old, and if you're pregnant or breastfeeding.
It's best to consult with a healthcare professional before use. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with stubborn chest congestion and mucus buildup, give Mucinex a try. With its clinically proven formula and long-lasting relief, you'll be breathing easy in no time. That wraps up our review of Mucinex 12-hour maximum strength tablets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay healthy and happy shopping.